Cheers to
Cheers.
detox. Hey you guys, I'm Koya Webb and I'm here with Ben Fleer.
Hi everyone.
I'm going to show him how to make my detox smoothie. I'm so excited.
I know, because I am a big smoothie guy.
Yeah?
Smoothies every morning, but I've never really done detox smoothies.
Yeah, I mean, it's really important because we have all these pollutants out in the environment and all these chemicals. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, you're getting pollutants pumped into your body every day just from the environment. So we all need a detox smoothie on a daily basis.
All right, so you want to go over and show me what we're going to put in this smoothie?
So we're going to start with H2O. Water is so fun and hydrating, of course. Start with water. But then we have barley grass powder. And barley grass powder is really great for removing and detoxing heavy metals. So we're gonna pop that in there. And then we're gonna use some dulse flakes.
I've never put dulse flakes in a smoothie before.
It makes it nice and purple. And it's really good for you. So, you know, you have your iodine in here, you have your B6, you have a little bit of B12 in there. And then here's where you have an even higher level of B12 in your Hawaiian spirulina. So we have detoxing heavy metals, detoxing all these things from the environment that we don't need in our body. And then to that, we're gonna add some wild blueberries, as you know, which are high in antioxidants and really great for your system. And then we're going to add some bananas, and these are like, I didn't do my homework. I should have had these ripening a whole week. They're not ripe, but make sure yours are ripe. Let them sit out for a while. And then cilantro, which is really pulling the heavy metals out as well. So all these will help us detox the heavy metals in our body. And I got this protocol from Anthony Williams of the Medical Media. My friend Anthony, he works in helping people detox and heal. And he gave me this recipe, and I kind of switched it up a little bit. Sometimes instead of regular bananas, I use burro bananas. I didn't use the OJ because I'm following this alkaline diet from Dr. Sebi. So I changed the regular bananas to burro bananas, and I took out the OJ, and I'm adding a little sweetener because you know I'm from the South, and I like mine sweet. So this Lakanto sweetener from monk fruit is really good, and it's just like, you know, really pure, and I like the sweetness it adds to my smoothie, and that's it.
Cool. Well, where can people get the burro bananas?
People can get the burro bananas at like a specialty market.
Okay.
So any type of specialty market or cultural market will have the burro bananas, but you gotta look for them.
Okay.
Or you can get them online.
Cool.
And get them melted.
Well, I just had a smoothie,
Okay.
but I'm ready for another one.
All right, well let me make you another one.
All right, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna start off with our water. So just 1 cup of water, we're gonna add that in there. You can also use coconut water if you like. Then we're gonna toss in our cilantro. Another thing you could do to help your cilantro from going bad is use some and then freeze some, and that way it won't go bad on you, because I hate when it goes bad. Then we're gonna take a teaspoon of our Hawaiian spirulina, pop that in there, and then we're going to use a teaspoon of our barley grass powder. Get that in there. And then we're going to have 2 bananas again. I'm so embarrassed that I have like, you know, not ripe bananas. But one thing that you can do is buy a ton of bananas and let them ripen for the week, and then use half of them and then freeze half, and that'll really help you always have ripe bananas. I just happened to have a really busy week and I used all my bananas, so I had to like go to the store. So in order to prevent that, you know, just get a lot and freeze half of them. And then we're gonna add our blueberries. I'm gonna add the whole bag because I love blueberries. You need about 2 cups of your wild blueberries there. And then you want your dulse flakes. Now, you can start with 1 tablespoon of dulse flakes. And so I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon in because Vince is not used to it, but I put about 1/4 a cup because that's really what's gonna help pull out those heavy metals. So I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon in there. And then we are ready to go. So those of you who know me know I like to blender boogie. So while I'm blending it, I'm gonna get my boogie on, and I want you to dance with me. And then by the time that you finish your blender boogie, your smoothie should be ready. Smells like blueberries. And you just pour it in your glasses. That looks so delicious. Ready to try it? Cheers to detox.
This is really good.
And I forgot the sweetener, so
Yeah.
he likes it without the sweetener.
And
It's the banana and the blueberries.
Yeah, and if you use a ripe banana, it's gonna be even sweeter than this.
Yeah.
And this is really good. And I'm not like a big sweet, like I don't like a lot of sugar, so this is good. I got my detox on.
Woo! Make sure to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Vince's channel. We love doing this work and really raising the vibration of the planet by delivering you health and wellness every single day. So subscribe to our channels, be part of our communities. We love you and we appreciate you very much.
Take care.
Peace.
Bye.
Oh, I do a heart thing too. Like a heart and then just throw it up.